set it where you want to.
Alright, so put your foot on the brake foot.
This one?
Yep. Yeah, just so I can start it for us. Now, ready? Always look for ready. That's how you know there's a car. Look for ready. Because sometimes it ain't gonna sound like it just did. It's only doing that over here.
Okay.
It could be very quiet. Alright? You might not even know the turned on. Alright? But just look for ready. That means the car's on. Right? So adjust your seat. Adjust your seat how you like it. Yeah. Oh my god, that is good.
Just set it up where you want it to
Okay.
when you drive.
When you're driving.
You know, make you comfortable and stuff.
And I'm gonna set it for you.
Yeah, that's it.
You go higher.
You wanna go higher? Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, get up there.
no.
You know, it's rolling, you never see it.
You want to see that in front. And then you can go right here. See this here?
Same thing with electric.
So if you're comfortable going up, go like this. Up. You want to go higher or is that good?
That's all right.
That's as high as it'll go. But you can go down. Okay, stop. And this one go higher and then up. Now, if you pull the front, that gets behind your wing. So if you want to go down there, or you want to go up here, behind your knee, the front, right here. So adjust your leg, that goes in. Yep. All right. Hit set. One. You get a beat, that means it's on. That's a all you got to do for a free drive, all you got to do is on one or go to the I'm gonna check it.
You mean the front of that?
That's a white
Come up.
interior. You know the steering wheel adjuster right here.
Okay.
Alright, these are your lights, automatic. I'm gonna put your fog lights on. When your fog lights and regular lights on, that light asshole goes right in front of you. It's lit up like it's nice. It'll automatically put them on for you when you do it. Okay?
I see.
This is just for your information in the door. So this